Now we're going to get into the completely factoring. So that means we have more than just the two binomials. So right here, first we're going to practice putting them together. So first, double distribute. Use the box, use whatever you want to use. X times x is x squared. 4 times x is 4x. X times 7 is 7x. 4 times 8 is 28. 4 times 7 is 28. Bring that 2 in front. I'm going to simplify first. So x squared, 11x plus 28. Now distribute that 2 to all three terms. So 2x squared, 2 times 11 is 22x. And then 2 times 28 is 56. Now we have still a monomial, but a 4x in front. So first, I'll double distribute again. 3 times 3x is 9x squared. 3x times 2 is 6x. Negative 2 times 3x is negative 6x. Negative 2 times positive 2 is negative 4. So we have the 9x, the 6x's cancel out, so 9x squared minus 4 times 4x. Now distribute the 4x through, and I'll get 36x cubed minus 16x squared. So we're going to look down here, and we see first, I definitely have some nice factoring going on here, but there's more that has to happen because we cannot have a GCF that could happen in there. So here I'm going to multiply this one and get 2x squared minus 6x, then plus 2x minus 6, so 2x squared minus 4x minus 6. You take a second and do the second one. You'll get 2x squared plus 2x minus 6x minus 6. And again, we're at the same spot there. The reason we would not say that these answers are factored completely, because in this 2x plus 6, there's a GCF of 2. So you could have 2 times x minus 3, then times the x plus 1. In the second case, the 2x plus 2, you can see that I could GCF a 2 again. So take the 2 out, x plus 1, x minus 3. Okay? Now we've written them both ways, completely factored. So we had the 2x minus 6 times x plus 1. So that we pulled out looked like that. So it does not matter which one you pull the 2 out of, but a 2 only went into one of them. So now we're going to go down here and we're going to look. First, can I get a GCF out? In this one, I can see they're all divisible by 4. So 4 comes out and you have x squared plus 3x minus 10. Now you have a nice trinomial with a coefficient of 1 for the a value, so that's awesome. To make x squared, you do x and x. To make the 10, you think of factors of 10. 1 and 10, 2 and 5. So we're going to go with the 2 and 5. The reason I did that, this one told me that they were going to be different, and the 5's positive and a negative 2. Second one here, I can take a 6 out of both, so I have 6 times x squared minus 4. Hopefully you say, oh look, those are both perfect squares, and you have x plus 2, x minus 2. Now, factor completely here. This will involve a final trinomials. As I look here, I can take 5 out of each of these. And I have x squared plus 11 and minus 21. Over here, looking at what I can do, well, 57 is divisible by 3, so that will work. So I'm going to take out, divide everybody by 3, and I will have 4x squared. 57 divided by 3 is 19 minus 5.